Another day in the life, man. Haitian Jew road trip. Finna hit this little Bossman, Dlow, little baby video shoot. You know, like when you an artist, bro, like sometimes this type of shit you gotta do, bro. Like it ain't all about a show. Sometimes you gotta go out there and network. You know what I'm saying? Get the, you know, shaking hands, kissing, you know, kissing babies and shit. Networking and shit. Bitch gotta see you in different environments. Bitch gotta see you in different avenues and shit. But yeah, man. Niggas been vibing though, man. Shout out to little Bossman, Dlow, little baby. Shout out to my nigga Bossman Splurge, man. Y'all know what the fuck going on. Arson Records, Haitian Jew. Shout out to my nigga Hustle, man. China 33, nigga Rufus. Whole gang, nigga Marlon, Wick, Matt, my boy Junior. My girl Bianca. You can't do this shit without a solid, you know, backbone. You gotta have a solid backbone when you doing this rap shit. Like, unless you got a stupid bag, you gotta have a solid backbone. And I ain't gonna act like I ain't had one my whole little journey. I definitely had me a little solid backbone. Join like focus on me, man. Fuck that shit. Focus on me. You gotta have you a solid backbone, man. If you wanna make it in this shit, or you just gotta have a stupid ass check. Even with that, you still need something solid, bro. And I ain't gonna flex like I ain't never had nothing solid. Like this whole time I've been rapping, I had me something solid. You feel what I'm saying? Something at the high holding shit down. So yeah, I wanted to, you know, highlight that. Shout out to my girlfriend. Yeah, but we working though, man. On the road to the riches. We grinding, man. This is what it takes sometimes though. Getting on the road, missing out on a few dollars. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what it takes sometimes. It takes for you to, you know what I'm saying, miss out on a few dollars sometimes to get where you got to go. That shit priceless. And look, check this out. Right now, I don't really know what to expect. I'm just going off a limb. Like, I don't know what the vibe gonna be like, but y'all stay tuned for fucking Zuby, man. Haitian Jew to go, man. We signing off, man, yo. Yeah, big stupid motion, man. Bossman Dlow, the little baby, man. We out here vibing. What happened? Oh. Let's see. Well, this shit lit, dude.
It's hot as fuck.
Come on, Drew.
What's up, nigga? You alright?
Please go behind the truck.
Please go behind the truck. Get on the video. This out. Where you back? You can't even see the car. Hey, we trying to get the car to see. I gotta slide back for me.
Well, slide. You go there grinding, man. I'm finna be pumping right there. Man, little flex while I do a song.
Oh, okay.
Should have brought my little. I should have offered to bring my little pipe, man. That's crazy.
Oh, baby, here. Bossman here too.
Yeah, man, you doing it?
Hey, Jew, man, they're smoking that good pressure, man. Look at this shit. Look at it. Good pressure, man.
Yeah, he looks so good.
Good. I appreciate that. I said they should have. Thank you.
Why?
I'm just being so happy. Like, you just, you know, sweating, Jew. That boy, Jew got that shit on, though. Boy, Dlow vibe. All up in there.
Cups and pulled up.
I never do nothing good.
Y'all ain't trying to kick the tires.
Fuck going on?
Hey, y'all back up, man. Back up real quick, man.
You good, Joe?